again?
I'm looking for Obiajoro Amadu Ezenwa.
He's my brother. I hope there's no problem.
No, there's no problem. Please, can you call him for me?
Yeah, okay. I'll bring you.
Igrigindo.
How are you doing? 1 minute.
This is no longer my brother. A lot has changed. Let this not be what I'm thinking of. He better not.
The fearless lion. Obibo, the fearless lion. Ositama woke gano nanleka. Yamo wete nugu zuba zuba. Mamo diajolo. Ali aliaba zuba zuba. Mamo diajolo. Electronas zuba zuba. Mamo diajolo. Memma geti wanita zuba. Mamo nuku. Obo nugebu. Anu epudego. Yamo wote butagike. Egama nyamariba. Apaloga pananya idafuego. Anu epudego. Ifeni logego idafuego. Egama nyamariba. Wakaba gomma wo atata. Imanodi kaka wakesi adiewo. Onwalo password.
I brought you out here because of your sister. You know, now you're one of us. I would like to take you to Lagos, where you make it big.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you.
You're welcome. You have to loosen up. You have to smile, because you have break every yoke that have been trying back all this while. So you have to change your mood. Okay?
Okay.
Because you have a lot of great things for you.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Obiatu, the fearless lion. Obibo, the fearless lion. Ositama woke gano nanleka. Yamo wete nugu zuba zuba. Mamo diajolo. Ali aliaba zuba zuba. Mamo diajolo. Electronas zuba zuba. Mamo diajolo. Memma geti wanita zuba. Mamo nuku. Obo nugebu. Anu epudego. Yamo wote butagike. Egama nyamariba. Apaloga pananya idafuego. Anu epudego. Ifeni logego idafuego. Egama nyamariba. Wakaba gomma wo atata. Imanodi kaka wakesi adiewo. onwelu password obi ajụla baka o sinyelite n'ọkụ olulu n'isi mmiri nwa marivas obi ajụla igirigi ndụ onwelu password igirigi ndụ obi ajụla igirigi ndụ inwelu password igirigi ndụ inwelu password igirigi.
Grandmaster, it is 5 weeks and you are yet to make your monthly sacrifice to the place Jackie.
Grandmaster, I'm working on it.
I'm working on it, you said. You were asked to bring a woman to the Great Kiki. You have 3 days.
Good evening, sir. Ejike. Brother Ejike.
How are you?
I am fine.
You're coming from?
The market.
Oh, market, and you're going home?
Yes. Yes. When did you come back?
Just a few days ago.
Welcome.
Yeah.
No,
let me take you home.
No, my house is very close.
I know. I insist. Let me take you home.
I'm almost there.
Please.
Lance, your brother, ran away because he couldn't afford any money for your father's funeral.
I don't know if he ran away, but I know he will definitely be back.
I wanted to help him. I told him I'll support him for your parents' funeral, but he refused. Instead, he asked me to show him the source of my wealth.
You told him that and he refused?
He thinks I'm a ritualist.
He should have told me.
He wouldn't tell you. He knows I like you so much. I went as far as telling him that I want to sponsor you so that you can, complete schooling.
That would have been nice. But he didn't tell me.
He wouldn't tell you. I'll support you for your parents' funeral.
You will?
Yes.
Oh my goodness. That will be an answered prayer. Because we've been looking forward for a miracle to happen. We really appreciate that.
Just calculate everything and tell me how much it will cost. Hey, alright. I'll give you 1 million.
1 million?
Mm.
Oh, thank you so much.
No, it's
God
okay.
bless you.
It's
Thank
okay.
you for everything.
So come home first thing tomorrow morning and I'll give it to you.
Your house?
Yes, my house.
I'll come. Thank you.
You're beautiful.
Thank you. I'll come tomorrow. Let me see to your car.
All right.
Come in.
Welcome there.
Thank you.
That's it. Oh, I thought you wouldn't come again.
Why not? I told you I was going to come. Just that I had to do a lot of things that took my time. And I also went to buy this clothes for myself. Yes.
What did you just say?
I went to shop. I bought this clothes.
So this cloth you're wearing is a new cloth.
I just bought it.
You just bought it.
What's funny?
I've never seen where new clothes come with stain.
No, it's okay.
Okay.
Okay, Ka. But his face great.
This is a new cloth.
Yes, it is.
All right. I'm not disputing the fact that it doesn't fit. I'm just saying it's about the time you started wearing quality.
But okay, face great is always quality.
I mean, first class quality.
But life is stage by stage.
I know. You have got into that stage by knowing me.
Okay.
Good. All right, I'll give you 1 million naira first thing tomorrow morning. And also, I'll tell you where to shop.
1 million naira? That is too much. Just to buy clothes?
Nothing is too much for you, my love.
Why did you just call me?
My love, you have a problem with that? Did it make you angry?
Not necessarily, but I'm just wondering, what's so special about me?
Everything about you is special, Tina. Just give me the chance to show you the better side of life.
Thank you.
1 minute. Excuse me.
you bought me things? Wow. Thank you so much. And this was got me a new phone. Thank you so much. I appreciate.
You like it?
I love it.
Like I said before, give me a chance to show you the beautiful side of life. Can I get a hug?
I want Cold Stone ice cream.
Of course.
What?
For you.
All this money for me? Oh no, now. The money's too much. What would I be doing with all this money?
Nothing is too much for you, my love. Let me help you forget your past and replace your losses. This money. Buy some new clothes. Good designers. Look beautiful for me.
Money's just too much, even at that. Thank you so much for everything. Thank you. I can't thank you enough. What will I be doing without this money? This will practically change my entire life. Thank you. Thank you.
It's okay.
Thank you.
It's alright.
my god. Oh my god.
What is it?
I had a dream. A terrible one at that.
What happened?
I almost got drowned. In the river.
Oh my love, you cannot drown. It's just a nightmare.
It was so real. It was so real. I'm so scared right now.
You don't have to be scared. I'm right here.
Please hold me.
Got you. I got you.
Why are you playing with fire? Why are you placing your life at the edge of a mast?
Grandmaster, you know me too well. I keep to my words. When the great Shankiki asked for the heart of my mother, I brought it. When the manhood of that of my apprentice was asked for, I brought it. The great Shankiki should understand that whatever it is I am asked of, I will bring it. All I ask is patience. Little patience.
Are you here to remind me of how we made you wealthy? Do not make me angry.
Grandmaster, like I said, all I need is little time. I already have boys working tirelessly to get me these items. As soon as they do, I'll bring it. All I ask, little patience. Please.
You told me you had a girl last night. Why didn't you use her?
Grandmaster, she's spiritually strong. I tried. Waited all night for her to sleep. But she did not. Wakey, wakey.
Morning. Morning.
Good morning. I brought you breakfast.
Breakfast in bed? You can actually do this. You're so caring. Thank you so much.
Sweet.
Yes, it is. You are just hilarious. Thank you.
There you go.
Thank you so much. Thank you. You want to join me?
No, I have mine in the kitchen. Sweet.
Very sweet.
anything that makes me see this man tomorrow, I will carry 3 bags of cement. Onayala, I must carry 3 bags of cement.
You're talking about cement. Cement only.
After using all my muscle.
Let's just arrange man for that one. Oh, this is our village. This is our own village.
Is it because he become a foreman? That is why he will be treating us like this in our own village. Where about you two women now?
3,007. This man is owing me 3,007.
You see, let me tell you the truth. There is nothing on this earth that will make me what the man is. I must break the man's head. Hey! Hey!
One name.
Hey!
One name.
Hey!
Jesus!
My man.
How come? What happened? Where?
Hey, too many questions. I'll answer that later. Man, Papa. Papa.
If you oil your brother, I'll kill you here. Now he's not your brother. Are you woman? Are you stupid? Are you mad?
Why you one?
Thank you.
Don't worry yourselves. Huh? I have something for you guys. Relax,
Okay, brother.
Ask your father there. Hey. Simon.
Hey! Well, I got to me here. Melon. Hey, Obi. Hey, Obi, Melon, Etiko. Hey.
Hey, one day go.
Obi, call me.
Good to see you guys. I'll see you guys in the evening.
Obi, you see that goat? Don't worry, I will bring his back. How do you myself?
I don't care about the goat, right? You should keep the goat. I will see you guys in the evening.
Okay, sir.
No, I will be the one to come. Don't bother yourself.
I will start my project very soon. This time around, you're not going to be a bricklayer. You will be the engineer. You handle my projects.
Akwenugia, block captain. My brother is starting a project.
Which brother?
Block captain.
Are you mad?
All right.
Yes, thank you.
This is where we agree. I am not the engineer.
If you ever call him your brother, I will make sure you die with.
Thank you. We are just happy.
I will make sure.
Chima. Let me go to buy. Chima, I am not the engineer. I am not the engineer.
I'll kill you here. To God, I'll kill you here. Chima, if I don't kill you here,
you are holding an engineer.
I'm holding.
You are holding an engineer.
Chima. Hey!
Chima, you 500 naira. Chima, you 500 naira.
Oyoshi. Okay, for her. Me will get back.
So, sure you don't want to pass the night at my place?
Tomorrow.
Sure
Sure?
Let's leave it tomorrow.
Alright, I'll come pick you tomorrow.
Okay. Thank you so much for everything. The money and everything you've done for us. But please, you really need to find my brother so we can fix a date for the funeral of my parents.
Alright.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
So I'll see you tomorrow.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Unamo.
Chimo.
Unamo. I'm back. Yeah?
No. Look at you. You have changed.
Oh, yeah.
No, wait. What was this car?
One of my cars.
Tell me what is happening now.
Well, I went to become a complete man.
You are indeed a complete man. The Lord has done it.
And I saw a car driving out. Who was that?
Okay, he's your friend though. Your friend Etiko. He has been of great help, of great assistance to us since you left.
Who?
Etiko, your friend.
Etiko has been helpful to you?
I am telling you, brother.
Well, I do not want you to mention that name in this house again. Did you hear what I said?
We need to discuss a lot about him. I have a lot to tell you.
I'm not discussing anything with you about him. I'm not discussing him in my family.
But then what are you saying? This man in question gave us 1 million naira for the funeral of our parents.
He gave you 1 million naira.
Yes.
I am back to give you 100 million. Go in there, get me the money now. I want to return it to him. I don't need him or his money. Did you hear what I said? Whatever thing you have with him should end now. Go in there, get me the money. Go down and get me the money. I said, go in there, get me the money now. Rubbish. Give me the money. Get me the money now. Rubbish. I need the money. Give it to me. Give it to me. I'm returning this money. I do not want to see him anywhere close to you. I do not want to see him anywhere close to this house. Again. Rubbish. I will give you 100 million. I have money. I will give you 100 million. Let me come back for it. Rubbish.
Oh no. Oh no.
So the land starts from this side to here and down to that side at the edge of that fence there. So you go like this, comes down.
So from here, here,
Yeah, from here.
yeah,
Yeah.
there.
Yeah.
It's okay.
Yeah.
So how much are we looking at?
Let's go for 10 million. Yeah.
What did you say?
10 million, sorry.
10 million?
Yeah. It's worth it.
It's worth it.
Yes, sir. You can look at the size of the land.
Yeah, I can see it's quite big.
This is the site.
Good for what I want. Yeah.
And here. Yeah.
All right. So let's see the papers now so that we can proceed at
Okay,
once.
no problem. Let's go.
I'll go. I take back this useless money that you gave to my sister. I don't want to see you anywhere close to my sister again. I don't want to see you anywhere close to my sister. Did you hear what I said? I don't want to see you anywhere close to my sister. It's a clear. I'm not here at work. I don't want to see you anywhere close to my sister again. Let me see you anywhere close to my sister again. I'm not going to say that.
Where is your brother?
He's not around yet.
He's not around.
No problem.
Even
if he runs to Kafachan,
yes,
we'll stay here and wait for him.
But I just said he's not around.
Go and bring chair. I am not able for Tutu Okubiko. Go and bring. Wait for him. Whenever he comes back, we will see him. I come out. Every day we'll be coming here. Just decided that they will not do anything concerning our sister.
It is none of my business.
What kind of a thing is this?
Obiajulu. Does it mean you did not see us?
Huh? So, after running away, you think that we have forgotten that our sister had not been buried? Mba.
Yeah, what do you want? I'll talk to you later. I have some important stuff I want to attend to, right? See you.
Come back here! Come back! You must have our time. Here and now.
Bam.
Because we came with the list.
We put no list. There is no time.
It's okay, let me have the list.
Obiajo, for delaying the burial of our sister, we added 2 goats, 4 bottles of dry gin. Okay?
Oh God, go puta.
6 cartons of small stout. 2 big Efi Igbo. 2 Nki Igbo. 3 native fowls. 20 tubers of yam. Okay?
Go puta.
2 ginede.
Bunches of plantain.
5 crates of mineral. 1 carton of Lux soap. 2 cartons of cabin
biscuits. Enoria?
Here is the list. Lenny Anu. Obewa kwe him.
Is that all?
Crocodile. Lenny. Here is the list.
That's all.
It's not all. Oh. Money for the cows and other things. So answer us sharp. Oh God. I say about.
The fearless lion. Obibo, the fearless lion. Osukama woke gano naleka. Kamo wete nugu suba. Mamo dia jolo. Ari aba suba. Mamo dia jolo. Electronas suba. Mamo dia jolo. Memma geti wanicha suba. Obo geku. Anu eputego. Kawote eputagike. Ekamanya maliba. Apaloga pananga fuego. Anu eputego. Ifenyi logego. Ide hafu. Ekamanya maliba.
Now listen. I do not want to see you anywhere close to this house again.
Yes, sir.
Did you hear what I said?
Yes, sir.
You needed money, right?
Yes,
This is the money.
Oh.
Enjoy yourself. Get out of my house.
We are proud of you. Hey!
I said it. There is something special in this boy. And Indiarura doesn't want it to come out. I said it.
Are you still talking? Go and look for broom. Let's sweep this money. It's too much now. You're here talking. Hey! Hey! Look, this is too much. Oh, they are doing it. Hey! What can you be out of no one? Hey! Oh my God! I couldn't. It's only him now. He's sweeping it now. Are you confused? Oh! Hey! The money is too big. The money is too big. I go to the farm. Hey! I couldn't. Hey! I couldn't. I want to die. I want to die on top of this. Hey! The money is too much.
So you were the one talking to him.
Eh?
You were quarreling.
Get it. Is it not you? Troublemaker like you. Allow me, let me pack this money. Hey! I told you to take it easy with them. That's this money will surely come. Hey! I couldn't want them. So my sister.
Oh, they are doing
my sister. My sister will finally.
Like I told you earlier, you see, you have to start from the head.
Okay.
And that means you have to start from your grandfather's area.
Okay.
And you have to do the Igwefi ritual for your grandfather and for your father.
Okay.
And so I want you to know that for every titled man that will come for the burial, must go home with a goat each. Yes.
Udo Nache. 1 minute, please.
Okay.
Yeah. 2 million naira.
2 million naira?
Yes. I hope it will be enough for the goat and the...
well, why not?
I'm a fella. I want to bury my father in a grand style. I want to bury my father in a grand style. Tell all the kingsmen,
I will.
I will bury my father in a grand style. You will see it. If you need more money, tell me. I will bring it. Tell the kingsmen.
I will tell them.
Let me bury my father in a grand style. They will see.
I can see.
Hey! I got it.
Obiajulu, you look different this time around.
Well, it's the Lord's doing. My God is faithful.
I heard that you are now a driver in the city.
Oh, well. Yes. Part of it. Part of what I do.
You're welcome.
Yes. Yes, I'm here to clear my mother's debt and that of my father. Because I would want to bury her as soon as possible.
Your mother... Yeah. Beatrice Ezenwa.
Mrs. Ezenwa.
Yeah. Money is 95,500 naira.
Yeah. Only, right? Okay.
Ask me, it's a lot of money.
Okay. This is it for my mother.
Yeah.
This for my father. I hope that settles it, right?
It's already more than the money they're owing. This is 150,000 naira. Yeah, Jolo, this is...
Any more things?
Yes, this is already more than... This is up to 150,000 naira.
So when do I come for the burial date?
You have to come back tomorrow. So I'll tell you the date fixed for her burial.
Thank you. See you later.
Wow. With all this money. Where did he get this money from? Maybe it's not even driver that he's doing in the city. Maybe he's now a big man doing some genuine business. Welcome, son.
Doctor.
Yes, can I help you?
I'm the one to help you. How are you? Stop saying how may I help you. Do you recognize this face?
Yes, I think I do. Your father died here some time ago.
Oh yes, you do remember. Doc. So tell me, what's the deal? I learned that my father is still owing. He has some outstanding in your hospital. Can you please tell me so that I can foot it before I go?
Well, I have to check the debtors list to know.
Hey, don't stress yourself. I already made a check of 500,000 naira. Just fill in your name and you cash it. I am sure that will settle the bill, right?
Yeah, sure.
Good.
This will certainly do.
Good. Take a look at this too.
This hospital has been sold to Mr. Obiajolo Amadi Ezenwa.
Obi Cash. Point of correction. Obi Cash. You done? Okay. For your information, I bought this hospital a few days ago. So, I would want you to take off everything. Every personal effects out of this hospital, because we're taking over this hospital in the next 24 hours. Did you hear what I said? Go to the mortuary, you know what to do. Every of the corpse there, take it out. I don't want it. Except my father's corpse. Okay, okay, premium tag. So allow him. Go in Nigeria. Well, look out, but I go need. You heard what I said? 24 hours. I want every of your personal effect out of this hospital because we're taking over. I want to use this as my big bang.
24 hours? But you didn't tell me before now. I was just... Nobody informed me.
Nobody informed you. Who are you? Who are you? I'm informing you now. You know, nobody informed you. I don't understand. Get this job, I call information. Oga, information. One, check it here. Take everything out in the next 24 hours, except you want to fight me. Okay, but New York. Did you hear what I said? 24 hours, doctor. I don't want to waste your time. There we go. 24 hours, you are out. Every of your personal effects should leave this hospital because you are taking over. And the way to see you. Thank you.
But sir...
Yes. Who is your son? Obikash. That is my name. Point of correction. Obikash. Thank you. Yakazie, I can remember then I was begging you. I begged you. You said no. Because of how much? It's 5,000, 50 something thousand. I gave you 500,000, right? Who can look off now? Come on, who can one of weed? I hear where it is. Come on, who can on letter? Who bet the market? Yasupa. Ali Alaba, Yasupa. Electromatonita. Ayasupa. Come on, who can no weed? I am Yasupa. Yasupa. Thank you.
Come here.
Did I not tell you to tell this woman that I am not wrong?
Oh, God, I told her.
You told her. Then what's she doing here?
What is this? So you intentionally told this man not to let me in?
Are you just going to shut up? Leave my house.
I've had enough of your brother. This insult is too much.
Enough is enough.
What are you saying, for crying out loud? Did I ever tell you that I care about what my brother does?
Well, I care.
I do not want that insult again.
Ejike, please stop.
Yet.
You are hurting me. Stop it.
I'm hurting you.
Yes.
I'll show you what hurting is. Open the door.
Open the door. Now follow up. Call this into that.